trading is one of the most annoying and overwhelming things you've probably ever tried to do before. And if you're like me, you've probably given it a go in the past to try and perhaps win some money in the side with some of the savings you had. So what I'm about to show you is a Chrome extension that's going to change that completely for you. Now, this is a Chrome extension which analyzes the graph that you're looking at, whichever it is, doesn't matter which site you're on, based on 10 different trading strategies. You may have heard of some of these. There's the Wyckoff method, Elliott wave theory, support and resistance, and 10 more. Now, this Chrome extension will allow you to select up to 10, which is all of them, and then analyze them. And it analyzes the graph based on each of the theories. So, for example, it starts with the Wyckoff method, and it looks at the graph, and it then puts it into a scoreboard. So, over time, the scoreboard will start populating. So, right now, we can see that the graph is being analyzed, and it's giving us 4 out of the 10 strategies are saying that you should do a long order. Right now it's gone to 5, and there's one strategy that's saying that you should do a short order. So as time goes on and more of the strategies are being looked at and tested, right now we're doing volume profile analysis. As you can see over here, it's being analyzed according to that. And of course, this is all powered by AI. So you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is select the strategies you want to try, or select them all, and then let the AI do the analysis for you and decide what would be the direction of the flow of money with regards to this specific coin. This works on all coins and all assets and all time frames, before you ask, by the way. And the amazing thing is, once you've used all 10 strategies, it's going to consolidate the results. AI is going to look at it and tell you what it thinks, what it predicts is going to happen. Now, remember, this is all for educational purposes only, to help you understand and learn. This is not financial advice at all. Consult your financial advisor if you want advice what to do with your money. This is all for educational purposes only, for people who are fed up of losing money and want to start learning how these strategies work and how they can work as a team. Now, remember, when multiple strategies push in a certain direction, that usually means that the direction is going in that direction. So as you can see, while we're watching this happen right now live, the actual graph is beginning to go up. Now, the interesting thing, it wasn't actually this high up when we started. So it seems as though the AI has hit the correct targets when it told us to do a long. Now, as you can see, it's telling us to do a long order right now, and it's consolidating right now. Right now, the results have been consolidated and they are in. And here is the conclusion. The AI recommends or thinks with 4 out of 5 star confidence that you should jump in right now and do a long order, and that the price is going to go up to 115,200. At that point, you should take your profit. So as you can see, it's going to explain why it's told you to do this. The comprehensive analysis revealed a dominant bullish sentiment across various technical indicators, because 8 out of 10 strategies, including Elliott wave theory, support and resistance, and all of these are basically signaling a long opportunity. These strategies are collectively pointing towards an upward momentum. So basically what we're seeing here is that you can either copy this conclusion and send it to your people, or you can click copy all signals, and then you can analyze them. Of course, for educational purposes, you analyze them. Let me just paste what you get into here. So you can see all the different strategies. Wyckoff method is the one that said short. As you know, there are 2 shorts and 8 longs. So if you look here, what we've copied, you can see the Wyckoff was one of them that said short, and the Elliott wave theory said long. The support and resistance said long, and you can see each one and its explanation. But overall, the AI has looked at everything and has decided that the price is going to go up, and boom, have a look. The price went up like crazy, and it's going up right now. This is live, by the way. This is live. This is happening right now. So as we can see, the AI has actually confirmed what was about to happen. Now, I didn't know this was going to happen when I was filming this. I had no idea. I barely understand graphs. And as you can see, the AI gave us the sentiment of what was going to happen, and it knew, because it knew to read the graph. So that concludes this video. If you want your hands on this crazy Chrome extension, which can analyze using all 10 strategies in one go and give you such clarity, then you must click the description, the link in the description, and add it to Chrome. It's a one-click Chrome extension. You add it to Chrome by clicking Add to Chrome after you get to the link, and you'll find yourself on the Chrome web store where you can add it for free, and it works for 24 hours. All you need is a Gemini API key, and that's all. You're good to go. It will start analyzing your graphs for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.